Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. David needs to call his internet company. His Wi-Fi is not working. He feels frustrated. He checks the modem. The lights on the modem are blinking. This means the modem is trying to connect. But there is no internet connection. I will call customer service, David says to himself. He picks up his phone. He dials the number for InternetCo. After a few rings, he hears a voice. Welcome to InternetCo. Press 1 for English. Press 2 for Dutch. David presses 1. Hello, this is Anna. How can I help you today? Hi, my internet isn't working. David explains. He sounds a little worried. I have tried restarting the modem, but there is still no connection. Anna listens carefully. Can I have your customer number, please? David looks at a bill. He reads a number to Anna. Anna checks his account. I see there is a small problem in your area. Our team is already working on it. The internet should be back in 2 hours. David feels a little relieved. Oh, okay. Thank you for the information, he says. No problem. We are very sorry for the trouble. Anna replies. Before hanging up, David asks, will I get a message when it's fixed? Yes, we will send you a text. Anna confirms. David smiles at this news. 2 hours later, David's phone buzzes. A message comes in. The message says, service is restored. David quickly checks the Wi-Fi. It works. He is very happy. He smiles and continues watching his movie. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.